Hi guys! Yes, by the way, yesterday was the day of books, and I'm sorry I couldn't read you books from yesterday, but today I'm going to read books. Two books, which is this Frozen one and Just Grandpa and Me. I'm sorry that I wrote Just Grandpa and Me. It's because I didn't want you to see this other title. It's just we put the wrong title, but it's still the thing. So we're going to read Just Grandpa and Me by MERCER. MAYER. My mom said I need a new suit. So we went to the city to buy one, just Grandpa and Me. I bought the train tickets, but I let Grandpa pay. I taught Grandpa how to sing 99 bottles of pop on the wall. We went to the big department store. The revolving door went around and around and around. We went around too, just Grandpa and Me. I held Grandpa's hand so he wouldn't get lost. He did it anyways. Lucky for Grandpa, I found him right away. We took the escalator to the suit department. I told Grandpa to hold on tight on the rail. I looked at all the suits and I found just the right one. Then Grandpa helped me choose the shirt and tie. I put on my new suit and Grandpa said, "You sure look great." Then we went to the movies. I sat close to Grandpa in the scary parts so he wouldn't be afraid. Well, so the Grandpa should be telling the story because he should be afraid, not Grandpa because he's not being scared. We had supper in a Chinese restaurant. I showed Grandpa how to use chopsticks. He sure knows how to use chopsticks, but he doesn't. And yeah. Then we got back on the train. Grandpa took a nap, but not me. I couldn't wait for Mom to see my new suit. Oh no. See, it's all dirty. We were so proud, just Grandpa and Me. The end, and I'm going to read the other book, but